So as you know, this is my Rhino screen and Grasshopper screen. So what we are going to do today, we'll be extruding some curves based on their length. So we'll be using we will be using an attribute of a geometry to feed extrusion length. So let me draw some polylines here. And some curves, maybe. Okay, so these are our curves, right? So if you remember what I do to import them from Rhino to Grasshopper, I create a component called curve, and I already forgot this one to math, so I switched it into prompts. So I pull out my curve component, right click to it, set multiple curves, and put these curves in. So if you remember on the previous exercises, if I extrude this, it will ask me two things: base curve, which I already have, and direction. Direction I'll be using pretty straightforward Z direction. And if I connect this to here, what I see is it's gonna be, maybe I can jump into all this. And you see they're all extruded with one unit, 1 millimeter. And if you see, it's already it's a bit off. So if I come over here and it's now in low quality, if I put this into high quality, it's still a bit off. So if I put it into document quality, it's a bit still off. So it might be related with my graphic cards. Anyway, so if I just wanted to put one single value, you see every curve is going to be extruded on this one single value, right? However, if I want to extract their lengths to use as a driver to decide on the extrusion length, what I need to do, I need to extract the lengths of each curve, right? To do so, I go to the curve tab, and under analysis, I'll find length. And if I use length component, what it gives me. So to see what it has, I grab a panel and connect it over here. Let me pull this over there, pull this over there, and pull this over here. And what I'm seeing is, I'm seeing the lengths of each curve. Obviously, these lengths are based on how I select the curve. So if I do this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, then the lengths are going to be correlated with my selection order, right? So if I connect this directly and take this out, and if I connect this directly to the factor, what I see is they are going super high, right? Because, I mean, what we do is we take the length and directly put it into our extrusion length. However, if you want to use this as our variable, but control it a bit further, I go to math, and under division, under operators, I grab a division. So if I divide this into, let's say, 20 and use it as our input, what I see is they are still, excuse me, they are still being controlled by their lengths. However, this time we see a lot less difference because we are dividing it with a large number. But if I decrease the divisor, you see the longest one again is the longest curve, is the longest extrusion, and so on and so forth. So that's basically it. It's, as I said, it's going to be a relatively short video. I hope you understand the variables with this, or it will create a better understanding of variables in your heads. So if you like this video, please hit like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe for more content related to parametric modeling. Have a great weekend.